This question, you can see that the way the question is being asked, uh, if you just look at this part, it is kind of straightforward. But they gave you the graph. Generally, it looks more intimidating when the graphs are there. However, just try to understand the question in bits. They're saying that two curves are equal, y equal to cos x and y equal to sin x divided by 2. They're asking us just this point. They can even ask this question without giving the graphs. So we have to understand the question part here. When you look at the question, it is given two curves are there, y equal to cos x and y equal to sin x divided by 2. We know that whenever you have two equations, we equate the right-hand part because both of them are equal to y. So I would say cos x is equal to sin x divided by 2. This part, I think everyone will do that. Now, the thing here is what formulas need to be applied is the biggest thing you need to identify. Whenever you see one of the angles is double to the other angle, it doesn't need to be like x and 2x. As long as one angle is double to the other angle, meaning in other words, if the second angle is half of the other angle, the first angle, then we use double angle formulas. The standard double angle formulas we have sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a cos a, and then we have cos 2a formulas. Cos 2a equals to three formulas are there. We will use the formula whatever it is needed here. In this case, if you understand the formula here, always understand the formulas. In this formula, 2a is becoming into a, 2a is becoming half here. So 2a would become a and a here. When you apply this formula, the angle on the left hand side will become half on the right hand side. If you understand that here, if you use any double angle formula, this will become even half of this, it becomes x divided by 4. So it's not a good idea to use double angle formula on the right hand side. Rather, we make this one into double. We can clearly see that we got sine here. I would prefer to use double angle for cos 2a in terms of sine. You remember, you know that sine will be in 1 minus this. If this is 2a, it would become 2 sine square a. Suppose if you have cos A in this case, understand the pattern. 1 repeats as it is, minus 2 repeats as it is. The only thing that changes is this angle should become half here. If it is 30, it would become 15. If it is 60 here, it would become 30. If it is A, it would become half of A, 2 sine square A divided by 2. And then you would replace that here. So cos x is, question is in terms of x, so you write in terms of x. 2 sine square x divided by 2 is equal to sine x divided by 2. Now everything is in terms of sine. Now you move everything to one side and then you solve for the equation. If you move these to other side, I would prefer to write x squared term in the beginning, 2 sine square x by 2 plus sine x divided by 2. If you move 1 to other side, negative 1 equal to 0. You can do in any way. I am moving all the terms to one side. That's the idea. You can do in any way. You can, and you will end up with this equation. This looks like 2a square plus a minus 1 is equal to 0. And then that is 2a square plus 2a minus 1 is equal to 0. If you solve for this, you get a equals to negative 1 and a equals to half. We already know that a is sin x divided by 2. This part, I would not go for it because our angle is between 0 and pi. Sine values are not negative between 0 and pi. So I will take this one. Sine x divided by 2 is equal to 1 divided by 2. If you input in the calculator sine inverse of half, which is 30 degrees, pay attention, question is in radians. You would write pi divided by 6. So x equal to pi divided by 3. You got x value. If you do this part, you would not get all the 4 marks because question is asking. Always remember, read the full question. Coordinates of p. Coordinates of p, this one. This you can use either of the equations to get the value of y. We already know that x value is pi divided by 3, comma, if you write pi divided by 3 here, cos pi divided by 3 is half. So p is going to be pi divided by 3, comma, half.